Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing the Raspberry Pi 5, the newest and fastest mini computer from the Raspberry Pi Foundation. If you're into coding, electronics, robotics, or AI projects, this little board is super powerful and fun to use. Let's check out what's inside. So first, we see that we have the instruction menus and some other instructions in the information button. In my kit, it also comes with a case that's used for protection of it. On the other side, we have some cables, the SD card, and then the heatsink. So it looks like we have to, the heatsink's not it's like not on it already. So now is our main character. Ooh, look at that. A Raspberry Pi. So here we have our Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi 5. Even though it's small, like it's like palm size, it looks like a full computer. You can connect it to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, storage, and even run some AI models on it. So let's talk about the hardware components in here. First of all, the most important component is this thing in the middle, the SoC, System on Chip. This chip is the Broadcom BCM2712. It's the Pi's brain. Inside it is a quad-core CPU and a Video Core 7 GPU. It can run computer vision models like object detection or tracking. And next we want to talk about the heatsink, which is, as I said, not included on here. It's inside it. This is our heatsink. So I guess we have to put it on the Raspberry Pi later. So the heatsink is this like a metal block. So when the chip runs fast and gets hot, the metal block absorbs the heat and the fan keeps it cool, so it doesn't overheat. So next we want to talk about is the micro SD slot. The micro SD slot is this little thing on the back. So this slot is for the micro SD card, which holds the operating system. On the bottom, there's a PFC connector where you can add a NVMe SSD adapter. SSDs are much faster than SD cards and make the Pi feel like a real laptop. So for the Raspberry Pi 5, you have to prepare the card yourself, unless you'll have like a whole kit, which it will have with it. So next we want to talk about is the camera and display connectors. So which is like the new FPC connectors. So these two connectors let you attach a camera module or official display. The Pi 5 uses a new, smaller connector type, so the cables are different from older Pis. Next we have the USB ports. The Pi 5 has two USB 3.0 ports, which are fast, and two USB 2.0 ports for keyboard or mouse. You can plug in webcams, game control, storage drives, and more to these USB ports. Next, we have the power port. The power port uses like a USB-C power, usually a 27W power supply. This gives the board enough power to run the CPU, GPU, and all your accessories, which is this thing. Next, we have this on the side. This is the 40-pin expansion holder. This is the general purpose input/output, or also called the GPIO. These pins let you connect sensors, motors, or other electronics, perfect for robotic projects. So regarding to AI, the Pi 5 is not as strong as big AI computers, but can still run lightweight AI models like image classification, object detection, running AI-powered projects with cameras. A lot of people use the Raspberry Pi 5 with the Halo 8 AI accelerator, as it is a great combo. This is perfect for student projects like smart cameras, home automation, or small robots. So that's our Raspberry Pi 5 developer kit. A tiny, affordable computer that's great for learning coding, electronics, and even starting with AI. Thanks for watching, and let's get building!